Bellmawr, New Jersey, specifically the Browning Road Bridge rebuild segment. The bridge has been rebuilt. What you see right there, that steel structure, is a Bailey Bridge developed by Acrow, A-C-R-O-W. It was a temporary roadway for 4 years for local commuters as they rebuilt Browning Road. So you can see to the left where that white car is. That's a brand new bridge, new concrete, new asphalt. With the bridge completed, they now have the process of removing this large Bailey Bridge so they can continue on with a $1 billion direct connect project. That large bulldozer right there is the piece that's going to pull the bridge back off the roadway. They've built these runways. See the two steel sort of guide paths? Those are where the edges of the Bailey Bridge are going to ride on. And going across, you'll see right where that one gentleman in the white shirt is standing, there are rollers there. So right now, this bulldozer is already pulling the bridge back. And when it gets to that roller, that edge of the bridge, the left edge, when it gets to that roller, they're going to pause for a minute because they want to make sure that it's going to connect and go over the roller properly. They do this a couple times. Last night I got there around 11:30 p.m. and I stayed till about 1 a.m. They started early. They started early on the move. Maybe twice they had longer stoppages in the movement because there are two support columns in the center of the bridge span that go down to the lower level of 42, 76, and 295. And they just had to do some extra checks as the bridge traversed across just to make sure everything was fine. As you can see, we're now approaching another one of the rollers, and they're going to probably halt right here. Well, I know they're going to halt here. I've watched this 10 times already. Going up for a higher angle, and I think we're going to zoom out. So in the distance, you can see the flashing lights of those vehicles. Guys, those are just like construction service vehicles in the center. Take a note that there is no traffic on 42, 76, 295. They had, I think, 30 state troopers in the area, and when they got the call, they would shut down the roadways, 42, 76, 295, to have no traffic underneath. It looks like we're moving again here with the bulldozer, but I think I'm going to take a pan down to the left. In this angle here, you get to see the sort of runway, I call it. They cleared out a nice smooth path. They're going to pull the bridge back, and it'll give them, with the bridge pulled back, they're going to give them the opportunity to dismantle the steel sections. There will still be segments over the roadway. They're going to have to come back in a few weeks. Once they remove this big section of the bridge, come back and pull the other piece off. I did a video 2 days ago ahead of this effort, and I made one mistake. I misinterpreted the press release. They pulled back a significantly more of the bridge than I thought they were going to. Now right here, see on the right-hand part of the screen, that is the thicker, more sturdy actual bridge, Bailey Bridge. To the left, it gets thinner. That's an extension that they put on here. They put the extension on just to help them facilitate the move off of the roadway. In fact, right here, you can see it's already, at this point, it's like pretty much hanging in the air. It's not connected to the ground level at all, but they keep going. And when I left at 1 a.m., I think they were still continuing to move the bridge. I need to get back there this morning just to see how far it's gone. This is even later. You can see the temporary section is now resting on those columns. So look, this entire area here is like a clear span. So a slow pan across the bridge, again, like right in the main part of the screen, that is the extension of the Bailey Bridge. That was just to facilitate them being able to pull the bridge back. As you can see, they have really pulled the main Bailey Bridge back much farther than even I anticipated. It's pretty much resting on that one set of columns there, which is that's the northbound side of the roadway. We're going to flip the camera around to the other side. So I'm on the northbound. The drone is basically on top of the rebuilt wall that had collapsed before. I want to call out in the center there's that rectangular gray square. That was one of the concrete mounts that the Bailey Bridge was sitting on. By the way, when I say Bailey Bridge, that means it's a temporary bridge. These structures were built, I think, for like World War II by the British Army to help tanks move across gorges and mudded areas. It's nice that it found a real significant commercial use. So they raised the bridge to remove it like 6 feet up. It's supported by these temporary columns. You can see 2 of them there. And the columns actually have rollers on them so the bridge can be pulled back across them. So this is the vantage point. You get a real good look at 42, 76, 295 with no moving traffic on it. Right now, it's sort of flying over the St. Joachim Annunciation Church. We're going to come back around to the other side. There you can really see those columns in the background lit up. That is where 295, you know, today when you drive 295 south from Cherry Hill and you want to go to 42, you go around that wicked Aljo's curve. In the future, you're just going to, the roadway is going to be straighter. It's going to go over top. Now we're coming back around and getting near the end of the video here. I'm going to show the bulldozer again, and I think probably a wide angle shot. Guys, I'm Mark from the 42 Freeway website. I write about new things coming to South Jersey, commercial construction, new buildings, new restaurants, but I also do these road videos. I need to do many more of them, guys. There's so much happening in South Jersey. Follow me on all the social channels. My main thing is I write web articles. I share them to Facebook, but I'm doing a lot more videos. You got to check out my TikTok and Instagram too.